Hi, I'm Christy with Big Red Rooster Products, and I would like to introduce you to our 8-sound white noise machine. So this is what the packaging looks like. Again, it has 8 high-quality sounds. It has a 15, 30, or 60-minute optional sleep timer. It's powered by an AC adapter, which is included, or it can run on 3 AA batteries, which is not included. So this is what the actual sound machine looks like. And on the front, there's the power button. Then you have the timer button. Again, it's 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Or if you want it to run all night long, just simply don't set the timer. Here's volume up, volume down, and then the 8 sounds. So pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is power it on, and then we're going to go through the sounds. So again, power on. And you're listening to the box fan. Then we'll listen to the small fan. Then rain. Ocean. Brown noise. Pink noise. White noise. And then summer nights. So I'm going to simply turn this off and then show you on the bottom. This is the battery compartment. Again, it can be powered by 3 AA batteries, or you can utilize the AC adapter, which is included. Very easy. You simply plug in here and the other piece to the wall. So again, this is our 8-sound white noise machine, and welcome to Big Red Rooster Products.